Hey everyone, it's William from the Discover and Dashboards team with a demo of a few features that we've been working on this quarter. The first new feature is that we now have 4 templates on the dashboard management page. Each of these templates have a focus: front end, back end, and mobile. Each of these come with a set of widgets that are good jumping off points for customers to customize to their needs. As well, they are a good place for us to include new widget types that we're creating. For example, let's start with this backend template. You can either add it directly, which adds it without showing you the widgets first, or you can preview the template to have an idea of what's within. Clicking preview, you'll see that there are already a bunch of widgets. For example, this widget here with the backend test having poor aptX. And at this point, if you wanted to edit this dashboard, you would just need to click Add Dashboard at the top here, and then you can add or edit widgets as you please, which leads us to the next feature.
Hey everyone, this is Edward. You might remember the issue widgets show and tell demo from the end of last year, but I just want to quickly mention it again as it relates to a lot of our other dashboard features in Q4. As a reminder, here's an example of an issue widget. You can see we have columns for assignee, event count, title, and project. You can also find an issue widget as a default card in some of the pre-built dashboard templates introduced by Will as seen here. And you can also create an issue widget through the widget library introduced by Shruti here. Since releasing these dashboard features, we can see that a majority of issue widgets created by users has been through the widget library or a dashboard template. We've also had 437 issue widgets created by our customers as of today.
Have you ever tried to create a new dashboard and felt overwhelmed? Overwhelmed by all the buttons you need to press to make a widget. Overwhelmed by all the choices you need to make a widget. Well, I'm here to talk about a new feature that will leave you whelmed. It involves widgets and libraries, and that's pretty much it. We built a widget library. It's a collection of pre-built widgets that highlight use cases for each display type and surface the breadth of the use cases for widgets. We also added docs to further show users how they can refine their widgets. The widget library is meant to be a jumping off point for the user to get familiar with how widgets can be built so that they can start creating ones that are more tailored to their use case.
Hey everyone, my name's Nar. I'm also on the D&D team, and this quarter we've been working on a feature that gives users more flexibility in how they lay out their widgets in a dashboard. This feature is still currently in EA. It's been 100% EA'd as of February 9th, and we should just dive right into the dashboard and see what's changed. So when we click Edit Dashboard, we'll now see that in the bottom right-hand corner of every widget, there's going to be this resize icon. Clicking and dragging this resize icon allows us to change both the width as well as the height of a widget. And this is particularly useful in the cases where we have more columns than space allows for a widget, so we can avoid some horizontal scrolling if possible. Other widgets will also scale both along the width and the height. So for example, this line chart, we can make it both longer and taller. And the movement has changed a little bit. So as you click and drag over another widget, we'll see that there's some shifting going on. As you remove a widget, it's going to attempt to vertically compact everything underneath. So there was some white space after that removal. Widgets moved up to fill that spot. But for example, this doesn't move up because doesn't have enough space. So we remove that, it moves up. So if we click Save and Finish, then the next step is to show users in the preview page kind of like a little preview of what they're going to be seeing in this dashboard. And this feature currently isn't in production. It's still up for review, but we'll be having it soon before it goes out for GA. Because of that, I will be showing it in my local. So I'll switch over this tab and let's do a refresh. All right, so we'll see that we have different SVGs and they all have different sizes here. So for example, in this one, nothing's really changed. This one has a long line chart, and this one was the dashboard we just came from, which has the larger table, the area chart, and a table underneath, as we can see here. And that's it for this demo. If there's any feedback you'd like to provide for this feature or any of the other features that you've seen today, please send us a message in Discuss Dashboards, and then we can talk about it there. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.